So guys, welcome to another room tour here in Glacier National Park. I've now moved to my double and twin view with the lake view, which I was not thinking was going to be as good as it is, and it's freaking sick. So I've just come into the room, so I'm going to just pan the camera around. So you can see, as expected, there is a double bed and a single bed, so a twin and a double. Now it is just me, but it was just the only way really of making this work tonight. So I had to go with what was so it was the only way of making it work, so I had to go with what was available, and that's the room type. So you can see on the wall there's some more artwork, which I did have similar artwork yesterday. So there is like the lamp, bedside table, phone, alarm clock, and then in this section there is a luggage rack. There is an interconnecting door, which isn't for me. There's a heater, my luggage, which was moved by the bell staff, which is great. There is a sink here as well, so there's soap, lotion, and then there's bins underneath as well. And then heading into, then there's like a desk area, again with drawers and the coffee. It's a bit more space than the last room. And there's a lamp there as well. And then heading into the bathroom, there is a bathtub. Wow, I was not expecting that. So a bathtub, which, yeah, was not what I was expecting at all. So there's a bathtub with some small products there. And there is a commode, and that also serves as the shower as well, and some towels just behind the door there with a hairdryer. So there you have it. Oh, I forgot the best bit. That's the view. What the hell? Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm so happy with that. Guys, so much has happened since I got back from the hike. So I came back to Many Glacier Hotel, went out onto the terrace on the balcony there, and there was a grizzly bear asleep. So I tried to find it. I couldn't really spot it myself, but I kept trying anyway. Then this other grizzly bear just decides to walk down the mountain. So I took some videos and photos on the lens that I had. Then I ran to my car, which is miles away, to get my big lens. Came back and he was still there, so I managed to get some more photos. And then a black bear also on the same mountain was off in the distance, so I managed to capture him too.
See the Y with the bear? Yeah, the Y in the bear. It's like a lion.
It's definitely a bear. They sell in Yellowstone movie. That's a bar. That's a bar.
He's still coming down. You see him? He's out in the open now. Oh, he's out.
See the open area right there? Yeah.
Walking horizontal.
Oh yeah, I see.
So I've just come out now around the lakes, just strolling around looking for any more wildlife, but it's just been perfect. So, you know, I've seen 2 black bears, a grizzly bear for sure, and half a grizzly bear because I didn't really see it because it was asleep. So yeah, it's been sick. And it's just up on these ridges that the bears were. So yeah, it's basically all up on these mountainsides, and it's funny enough, that's where I saw the bighorn and the black bear this morning as well. Not here, but on the trail looking up. So definitely keep looking up, guys, because you don't know what's up there. Oh guys, I'm back in the room now. I just had a really nice dinner in the like bar downstairs. I can't actually remember the name of it now. Let me check the list because I need to remember the name of it. It was the Swiss Lounge. How would I forget? Yeah, so there was a bison burger that I almost ordered. But I felt like I really just fancied some chicken today, so I had a grilled chicken sandwich. I didn't eat the bread, but it was really, really nice. And the service was really fast as well. Like I didn't have to wait too long for a table, which was really good. So yeah, all in all, it was a fantastic experience. But yeah, after I got back from seeing the wildlife and everything, I've come back to the room now. I've been to the gift shop and picked up just some little souvenirs to take home. So I've got a hoodie, I've got placemats with bears on, I've got some chocolate covered huckleberries, which look delicious. So yeah, I've got all my souvenirs. I've had the best time in Glacier. It's been so, so good. Unfortunately, my time in Glacier is coming to an end. I'm staying here tonight, and then tomorrow morning I'm heading down to Yellowstone, and then I'm heading from Yellowstone to the Tetons. So I've got a busy few days ahead of me, but I'm hoping to see more animals. Hiking wise, there'll be a little bit of hiking, but it's more going to be focused on wildlife and that kind of stuff. But yeah, I've been here for 3 full days. And it's been really, really good. I've really enjoyed it. I feel like I've seen like the 2 hikes that I really wanted to do. I've done. I saw the moose at Swiftcurrent Lake yesterday. Today I've seen the grizzly bears and the black bears. So I really feel like I've seen Glacier, and it's been sick. I've really, really enjoyed it. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my videos from this travel journey here in Glacier. And for those of you watching the room tours, I hope they're really beneficial. And yeah, what more to say other than I will see you in the morning for my journey to Yellowstone. It's going to be 6.5 hour drive to get from here just to the entrance of Yellowstone, but it'll be worth it when I'm there. That's what I'm telling myself. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.
It's a cold night, but I'll be alright with you by my side. Cause it's a cold night. We drive till the light shines bright in our eyes. A cold night.